Good morning, friends. Today we discuss about agronomy. Arhar is commonly known as red gram or tur, which crop is more resistant against drought, cowpea, beginner sinensis, sensitive crop to saline soil, groundnut. Name the crop which is used as a pulse and oil purpose, soybean. The most suitable soil for groundnut is sandy and sandy loam. Linseed belongs to the family Linaceae. The oil percentage of the cotton seed range from 15 to 25%. Which vegetable oil is good for heart patient? Sunflower oil. Which country is the place of origin of sunflower? South United States and Mexico. Safflower as an oilseed crop was introduced into India 1969. The first sunflower hybrid developed in India is MSFH 8, associated crop that increase pollination in sunflower is Niger. Uh, Sapsic acid is prepared from castor. H4 is a hybrid of cotton. Baruda is a variety of rapeseed and mustard. Kiran is a variety of linseed. Aruna is a variety of castor. Most serious disease of sugarcane is red rot cloyte trichum falcatum. Which growth stage of sugarcane is critical for irrigation? Formative stage. Which portion of sugarcane stalk is preferred for the sowing purpose? Top one third to half portion. In sugar beet, sugar is stored in roots. Which method of nitrogen application is more economical in cotton band application? Tosa jute is to be sown at a row 25. Which crops does not having hybrid seed? Jute. The optimum portion of sowing for oleaginous jute is April to May. Jute belongs to the family Tiliaceae. Low quality of jute fiber is due to very short fiber strand. Baisakhi tosa. Baisakhi tosa is a variety of jute. For broadcast sowing of jute, the seed rate is 10 kg. The optimum soil pH for jute 6.4 kg 4 pH. Ramine crop require rainfall of about 1600 to 2500 mm. Which is the Mesta variety suitable for the South India? AMB1. Which plant is popularly known as century plant? सीशल या green gold कहते हैं जिसे. Which strain of Sunham gives both seed and fiber? T6. The quality of tobacco is decided based on the aroma. Seed rate per bed for potato cultivation per hectare 800 to 1500 kg. Which TPS variety of potato? तो HPS 1/113. Which fruits is cured in the smoking for ripening? Banana. Which fruits contain more fat than rust? Avocado 22.8%. The crop which are grown during summer are known as jaid. Smoke raining prevents radiation frost. Cultivated land used for the growing crops, arable land. The major part of agricultural land in India is under food crops. The important feature of shifting cultivation is rotation of fields. The in India, maximum area under wheat is occupied in which species? तो Triticum aestivum. The original vegetation cover of India was hardwood grasses. The first irrigation commission in India was appointed 1901. Which state is more suitable? Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.